Hello guys, ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-book sa Joyride. First, click the Joyride app. Nasaan na ba ang Joyride app? Here. Click that one. Wait for a while. And then punta ka dito sa MC Taxi, motorcycle. And then search for pick-up location, meaning kung saan ka kukunin or ipipick up ng driver. Okay, dito is sa Lahoy-Lahoy compound. And the next is sa drop-off, meaning kung saan ka tutungo. Kung saan ka ibababa ng driver. Sa akin is dito. And then done. After that, you can adjust the location, and then after that, you book the Joyride. Click this one, book Joyride MC Taxi, and then voila, for a few minutes, the driver will call and pupunta na siya sa location mo. Okay?